The first thing that you have to do is drag and drop your character into the scene. Make sure your model rig's animation type is humanoid. Select your model and click on the component, Path of RPG, and set selected to Archer. Now everything is ready. Next step, create your arrow. We made arrows for you if you need it. Just drag and drop it. After that, determine the position of your weapon. Drag the bow into weapon position variables. Now everything is ready. We will take you to create your own arrows. Find the object that you want to make an arrow. In this example, I will use the sphere to make it. Select your object and click on the component menu, Path of RPG, and click on Set Selected to OFA Projectile. Your arrow is now ready to use. Turn it into prefab. The easy way to use it is drag it to the arrow variables. Next, we will try to make the bombs. In this example, we will use the sphere again, but we will make it a little bigger. Select your object and click on the component menu, Path of RPG, and click on Set Selected to OFA Area. Don't forget to make it to prefab. And drag and drop into arrow variables. Next, let's create a special arrow. Don't forget to make the collider to is trigger. You can easily make arrows that shoot and explode. In OFA projectile script on the arrow, drag the bomb into hit effect variables. That's all to do. It's so easy. After your arrow collides with an object, it will create a hit effect. You can custom your skill as you wish. It's easier than you think. Thanks for watching, hope you like it.